right, so this is my online teaching reflection. What I think went well was I was able to get my point across with my lesson. Feedback I got said that I was able to teach the lesson well, and I got good responses on the people who actually filled out my doc of questions, especially on the multiple choice, which I specifically made a little difficult. So seems that they were able to understand where I was coming from. Some things I think I need to work on is just a little bit better scripting, having it planned out a little bit better just for time wise when I had to go back. I had to edit my video down a little bit just to make the time requirements. And a lot of it was just editing out pauses and the ums or the and whatnot. And kind of just having a bit more confidence would also limit that. And I got mentioned from one of the other students that I need to speak up a little bit more. I was in a library last time, so that probably um, helped with it. Like, you kind of want to be quiet in a library. So just making sure that I have a place at like my house or a more private area to do that. What I think my peers did well, using like map pictures of maps and whatnot to show exactly where things were happening. It wouldn't have really helped with mine, but just thinking about other lessons I could make, especially as a history major. Um, I'm eventually going to have to talk about the revolution and World War I and whatnot. So just being able to point, okay, here's where we are, and just having that on the side so students can kind of quick remember seems like a good idea. And also just picking a bit smaller topics. I went with a very broad topic and tried to do all of it in one 10-minute thing when honestly I could have made it longer. Things that I learned is just how to caption and how to work Zoom captions and edit YouTube videos, and also how people can kind of game answers on Google Docs and whatnot. For one of the responses, my my questions were paragraph forms, and apparently Google will allow you to just hit the number one and type it registers any typing. So that did not work well. I didn't get a great answer for that.